te vuelvo a ver. Si un día quieres llorar, seguro que te vuelvo a querer. Me dejaste sin nadie que amar. Yo no lloro ni voy a llorar. Sé que un día me vas a dejar.
Around 70,000 bottles per year. There's a small production here. And we started 3 acres, now we have 14 acres.
Oh, wow.
We have Malbec, Merlot, Cabernet, Syrah, Grenache, Sauvignon Blanc, and Nebbiolo.
Right.
In that moment, when we start the harvest, we want to take this equipment upstairs, and the windows are. Those windows will be open, and this one is going to help us to change, to clean the grapes, you know? Take all the resin out from the grapes. And this one, by gravity, we move up to the tanks. Okay, when we have them here already on the fruit, we're going to add a little bit of this to start to make a fermentation, change all the sugar and water. In that moment, we're going to spend around 2 weeks. It's going to get hot inside, and we have to control the temperature. We want to cool down all the temperature in here. In 2 weeks, we're going to start all the wine already. And all the skin and the seeds from the grapes are going to be around down here. So we will open this door, use the press, find things to extract all the rest of the juice, and we set again the wine to the containers, because we're going to make another kind of fermentation. It's called malolactic. That one is going to help us to take all the bad acids to change it out lactic acids. And then we want to make it small, and we send it to the bottles. As you can see, we have we don't have enough barrels because we start the bottle. We make it as wine for somebody else, and in that time we have wine ready to bottle in for this week. This is the bottle where this equipment. This is where we bottle it. In the back we have the cork, where we put the cork, that one. And as you can see, we have all these barrels are American oak and French oak. Okay. If you want to take a picture.
Oh, you can smell it. You can smell it.
Bulbs, so we can make better ones. You know, like we get from the American oak a little bit of the aromas, like floral, and the French oak will be more like the strongest aroma, like wood, leather, feathers, all those kinds of aromas. So we can mix it together and get better ones.
Right.
Who's thirsty now?
I am. Aw, thank you. It's really, really good.
This kind of wine is made with red grapes, all right? This kind of wine is made with red grapes. And in the process where we are making the wine, we want to leave the skin of the seed just for 15 to 28 hours. this kind of process, alright? Just to give the touch of the color from the mosaic, which is ready for this kind of summertime. Okay,
Super good. Thank you. Look at that. Yo.
Okay, this one, especially this one, is the name. Last time is because I have a little communication from the owners. When the owners came here about 3 acres, and in those 3 acres they find 3 kinds of variety, Malbec, Merlot, and Cabernet. And these guys are 3 partners, so everything starts to be 3 from them when they start the business. Plus, this wine has been 3 months on American oak, 3 months on a French oak, and 12 months on the bottle before we release it to sell. And another thing, this one has Malbec 50%, Cabernet Sauvignon 30%, and Merlot 20%.
Wow.
Right? Of the grapes.
Thank you.
For me?
Hasta el aire nos cantaba, cuando el día amaneció será porque tú llegabas y la plaza se alegró. Sé que no esperabas verme y te vi muy sorprendida, pero pronto saludé.
And putting go ahead.
And then we got on the cruise the next day.
So you guys came just for the cruise, or you have other plans?
No, we just came for the cruise.
Just came for the cruise.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
This one and the fish.
Solo llena el corazón. Qué bonito es lo bonito, qué bonito es el amor. No traiciona ni condena, solo llena el corazón. Una amiga y por eso llevas flores, pues yo soy la encargada de tarimas y tacones. No quiero llegar muy tarde y perderme de los soles.
Mashed potato and a little bit green vegetables. And for you guys is portobello with green vegetables.
También yo voy al fandango,
All right.
pues que fortuna me invitaron los cantores.
Sí, al señor no le pongas. Okay.
Ahora un verso canto.
That's good.
Hey.
Look. Just look at that. Yo, look.
Can I try them?
Of course, why not? Some on the shrimp too. Yo. Cedar crabs. Soft shell crabs. So, okay. dipping in that joint. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, he wanted that. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Did you get the, what is that?
That's
Thank you.
Te vuelvo a ver. Si un día quieres llorar, que te vuelvo a
Oh man, I love the butter.
Yo no lloro ni voy a llorar. Sé que un día me vas a dejar.
Thank you.
In fact, in my country, Maraca,